So Westerly, Rhode Island. I was there for 5 days as a nice little getaway during the summer. Westerly is located on literally the most southwestern part of all of Rhode Island. It's literally right alongside the Connecticut border. It's a very nice getaway destination, whether you're doing a weekend or want to extend out a little bit longer. If you are from New York City, if you're from Boston, even in areas like Hartford or Western Massachusetts. Very easy, very simple to get to. So Westerly itself is a nice town area. Think of it as just like a regular kind of like Connecticut or Rhode Island town. Has some New England-y like vibes to it, but it also reminds me of kind of like a town on Long Island a little bit, where you have a lot of restaurants, but there's still a lot of activity going on. But the key thing about Westerly that you are going there is if you want to go to the beaches, but you don't want the chaos of, let's say, like the Jersey shoreline, or you don't want the expenses that you have to pay in Cape Cod. This is a very nice option. The town that the beaches are alongside reminds me a little bit of the Jersey Shore, but without the chaos and without the boardwalk. There were a lot of the kind of like food stands where you can get the world famous Rhode Island clam cakes, you can get the clam fritters, and it has a lot of kids, a lot of livelihood, a lot of summer homes. Check out the Watch Hill Lighthouse if you are there. That presents a very nice view of the Atlantic Ocean. You can go swimming. There aren't the worry for the sharks like if you're in Martha's Vineyard, Cape Cod, even though if you're in Martha's Vineyard, Cape Cod, don't worry about the sharks. The news is scaring you. If you are extending your trip out to 5 days, like how I did, because it gives you enough time to get there, settle down, relax, spend some time on the beach, I would really, really recommend checking out Newport if you have not been to Newport before. When I did this, I had never been to Newport, so it presented a great day trip for me to be able to go there. And I got to see the International Tennis Hall of Fame. I'm a huge tennis fan, but besides that, obviously getting to see the marina and just the beauty that Newport has to offer. It's also close enough to Mystic. If you haven't been to Mystic, check it out, especially the aquarium. The aquarium is incredible. But Westerly itself, yeah, I definitely see it as another weekend that I could do if I'm just like feel the desire to get out of New York, if I just need like a weekend break and something. It's such an easy drive from New York State, Boston too, and really anywhere kind of like in between the New York to Boston area. So I would recommend it if you don't want kind of like the chaos of everywhere else.